AMC 10A 2023, last problem, problem 25, and 12A 2023, problem 21. It says if A and B are vertices of a polyhedron, define the distance DAB to be the minimum number of edges of the polyhedron one must traverse in order to connect A and B. For example, if AB is an edge, like what? Like this one. Then the distance is 1. For example, it says but if AC and CB are edges like this, and AB is not an edge, distance is 2. 1, 2. For example, A here and here, the distance is 3. Okay, for this one and this one, for A and D. Okay, now we know the distances, the distance in graphs. Let Q, R, and S be randomly chosen distinct vertices of a regular icosahedron, regular polyhedron made up of 20 equilateral triangles. What is the probability that DQR is greater than DRS? Okay, as you can see, Q and S are symmetric with respect to R. So we know the number of cases that this one is greater than this is equal to the number of cases that less than this. So we can say, okay, we divide by 2, but we cannot divide by 2 because in some cases they are equal. So the only thing that we should pay attention to find how many cases DQR equals DRS. Okay, without loss of generality, we can consider what is here. And if we want to consider cases, so it is first level. Let me call this one 1. The distance, these two, hang out from the vertex, this idea. So much important in graph. Hang out from a vertex, like this. Or we can consider this one as a root. And this one 3. So Q and R for this case can be from this part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 choose 2. Or we can say for Q, we have 5 choose 2 times 2 or 5 times 4. For this one, for Q and S, Q, S. To be here, in second level, I gave 5 times 4, Q and S, 20, 20, 40. Now, if we want to calculate the probability, we say, okay, how many cases do we have for Q and S? So 5 points, 1 point, 11. So 11 for Q, 10 for S. Then you subtract these cases, 40, you divide it by 2. Now it will be, because when you subtract these cases, the cases that are left are greater or less than. By symmetry, the number of cases that are greater equals number of cases that are less than, so we divide by 2 over number of all cases. 11 times 10 for Q and S. So, okay, let's simplify. Let's divide by 2. It will be 5. It will be 20. So 55 minus 20 will be 35 over 11 times 10. Now, okay, we can say 11 times 10. We cancel 5. It will be 2. It will be 7. So it will be what? It will be 7 over 22. Okay. So we have also some other ideas that are in graphs and important. And I can tell you many homeworks here. Homework 1, 2, related to hangout from a vertex, related to AMC combination with Ramsey's theorem, and homework 2 with these probabilities that they have equal symmetry. Okay, if you want to know those homeworks or want to learn important ideas in combinatorics and probability, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the descriptions. Okay, so we work on these problems. I told many ideas of this exam before the exam. And if you saw those videos, they were helpful. And if you want to learn more, as I said before, you can send message to my WhatsApp number.